slime. So we're just gonna show you an easy recipe on how to make it.
So we're each gonna show you 3 items that we need. So we got shaving cream,
Contact lens solution,
baking soda,
any color dye that you want. We have lots.
glue,
And that's it. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is fill up your bowl with glue. We're back with all of our slime.
So this is mine.
And so the next step is to add the
Baking
cornstarch, or yeah, the baking soda. We got to add in our
Contact solution. So if you add too much, it'll be hard than rock. So you have to be careful and add it slowly.
You want to just mix it up, and it'll start turning a little slimy, but if it's not enough, you can always add more. Now that our slimes are ready, we gotta add in the color.
It looks a little plain, so we're gonna add some color.
A fun way to make it like different, to make it like a galaxy or unicorn slime, is to split it into 3 groups and dye each one in different colors.
I'm gonna make a unicorn.
I'm gonna make a sunset slime. And we're gonna start layering ours.
So I'm gonna first start with blue.
How I do it is I lay them into like little logs next to each other. Start rolling it, and it'll look really cool. It looks like a candy.
Look at mine.
Oh!
Look at mine.
So here's mine up close. It looks so cool, like Willy Wonka reminds me of, and I just think it's actually really awesome.
Do you like me?
It looks like unicorn galaxies. Cool. I love it, but I think there's one thing that'll make it a little bit better. Shaving foam!
Oh, I
There, the perfecto poop top. Anything you want to top. My slime! So that was how to make slime.
and how fun it is to play with it.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye!